Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Brandon's Basic Math. Today we're looking at question 20 on this ACT math practice test, so let's jump right into it. So if a rectangle measures 20 meters by 48 meters, what is the length in meters of the diagonal of the rectangle? So for problems like these, I always like to go ahead and just draw myself a picture here. So we have ourselves a nice rectangle which measures 20 by 48. So we want to know what the diagonal of this rectangle is, which is going from one end to the other. And what do you know? This makes us a nice right-angled triangle here. So remember, you got to recall that the length C of this triangle, this is going to be length A, this is going to be length B. So the length C can be found by using Pythagorean's theorem here, which is equal to C squared equals A squared plus B squared. This is something that you have to know, which is pretty common for them to ask in the ACT practice test. Okay, so in this case, all we're doing is solving for C squared, which is right here. We know what A is. A is 20. We know B is 48. So that means C squared is going to be equal to 20 squared plus 48 squared. So with that, we can take the square root of both sides to solve for C. Kind of covered up the numbers there, but that's okay. So C is going to be equal to the square root of 400 plus 2304. And then when you plug that in your calculator, you're going to get C is equal to 52. And that's going to be answer choice F. So remember, key takeaway point here is whenever you're dealing with triangles, so specifically with the right angles, Pythagorean's theorem can always be applied. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. If you like these tutorials, please be sure to leave a like and give me a follow.